Are you looking for the best 3D printers under $500? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers under $500 on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Official Creality Ender 3 3D Printer. The official Creality Ender 3 3D printer boasts impressive features that make it a reliable choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike. One standout feature is its resume printing function, allowing users to pick up right where they left off after a power outage or interruption. This ensures that your 3D printing projects remain uninterrupted and saves you from potential setbacks. Assembly is a breeze with the Ender 3, thanks to its easy and quick assembly design. With pre-assembled parts, it takes only about 2 hours to put together and secure 20 knots, making it a hassle-free experience for users who want to dive into 3D printing without spending excessive time on setup. Number 2. ANYCUBIC MegaS Upgrade FDM 3D Printer. The ANYCUBIC MegaS Upgrade FDM 3D printer seems to be a convenient and user-friendly device. Its quick assembly in just 3 steps, involving 8 screws and 3 cables, caters to both expert users and beginners. The printer boasts a decent printing volume of 8.27 by 8.27 by 8.07 inches. An upgraded extruder design featuring a Titan extruder ensures precise extrusion, reducing the risk of clogging and enhancing overall printing accuracy. This design is compatible with a variety of 1.75mm 3D printer filaments, including TPU, PLA, ABS, HIPS, and wood. Number 3. FlashForge Adventurer 3 3D Printer. The FlashForge Adventurer 3 3D printer is a cutting-edge device that takes the hassle out of 3D printing with its innovative features. One standout aspect is its no-leveling printing capability, making the setup and calibration process a breeze for users. The removable nozzle adds a layer of convenience, allowing for easy maintenance and nozzle replacements. The printer also boasts a bendable build plate, enhancing accessibility when removing finished prints. This flexible build surface minimizes the risk of damaging your creations during the removal process. Additionally, the filament detection feature ensures a smoother printing experience by alerting users when the filament is running low or has run out. Number 4. JGMAKER Magic 3D Printer. The JGMAKER Magic 3D Printer is a reliable and user-friendly 3D printing device that comes equipped with advanced features to enhance the printing experience. One notable feature is the filament run-out detection, which ensures that you are alerted with a beep when your filament runs out. This helpful function allows you to promptly change the filament and prevent a failed print, saving both time and resources. Additionally, the printer is equipped with power failure detection, allowing you to resume printing from where it left off in case of a power outage. This feature is a game changer as it not only safeguards your ongoing print job but also conserves valuable time and filament that would otherwise be wasted in restarting the process. Number 5. Sovol SV01 Pro 3D Printer. The Sovol SV01 Pro 3D printer boasts impressive features that make it stand out in the world of 3D printing. With its ultra-silent motherboard, equipped with a built-in 32-bit TMC 2208 silent motherboard, the SV01 Pro ensures more stability and operates super quietly. This enhances the overall user experience, minimizing disruptions during the printing process. One of the key highlights is the large build volume of the SV01 Pro, offering a print size of 280 by 240 by 300 mm. This surpasses similar printers from other brands, providing users with a more extensive printing space and increased design options. The generous size makes it suitable for various applications, catering to both daily and home use.